next time you sue me. Say that, no, I record already. I told you I'm recording. Alright. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, can you see the paper right now?
Yeah.
Clear, very clear. Can see.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I will be going through the paper and then I will do all the questions. Right? This is actually the 2018 O-level EMAT. Okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Alright. So I don't need to see you because I actually cannot see you. So you can lie down or just be comfortable.
Okay.
You don't need
Okay.
to wear cap also, right? Okay, I can't see you at all. I'm just looking at the paper. Okay, so let's take a look at question number 1. So write the following number in order of size, starting with the smallest. Can you tell me what would you do over here? What's the strategy?
Convert all to decimal place.
Awesome. Okay, so convert all to decimal. So this one is already decimal. 3/4. What's the decimal for 3/4? Do you have a calculator with you?
Oh wait, let me take my cookie.
Go take.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so 3/4. Basically, you take your calculator, you take 3 divided by 4, you will get 0.75. Okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Can you see the 0.75?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. What did I write? Can you see what I'm writing?
3.
Okay, awesome. Erase. Okay, so 3/4 squared. So basically 3/4 is 0.75 lah. So you square 0.75. This one is 0.5625. Okay, then how about 3/5? Can you tell me what is 3/5 in decimal?
It is
0.6. Okay, very good. So once you have all of them in decimals, right? You just write down the smallest. So which one is the smallest? Is 3/4 square. All right, followed by this is 3/5, then followed by 0.65, followed by 3/4.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one easy. 1 mark, easy to score. All right. Any question for question 1?
No.
No. All right. We'll go on to question number 2. So question number 2, we got to simplify this thing. So can you tell me what's the first thing you do?
You bring in the power.
Yes. Okay. So this is a power rule, but what I would suggest is because it's a negative power. So negative power, what do we do? If I want to get rid of negative, what do we do? Do you know? Do you remember? Flip the thing, right?
Yeah, flip it.
So flip the thing. So it will become y to the power of 6 over x to the power of 8, and it will become a positive indices.
Yeah.
This part, first step, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, next step, what we do is we do the power rule. So power rule, basically, this thing will go in. So the 3/2 got to multiply with 6. 3/2 also must multiply with the number 8. So you can use your calculator. Can you tell me what's 6 times 3/2?
It is 9.
9. So become y to the power of 9 divided by x to the power of 8 times 3/2. 12. Okay? And that is the final answer. There's nothing else to do. Okay? So final answer is y 9 over x 12. Okay? Any question for this?
No.
No, all right, let's go on. Okay, next, one solution of the equation is x equal -2. Find the value of k. So when they say this is the solution of the equation, what you need to do is you need to substitute x equal -2 into the whole equation. That means all this x, right? Can you see all this x? Can you see
Yeah.
the arrow? Yeah, all the x must change to what? What must it change to?
-2.
-2, awesome. So we put k -2 square plus k plus 1 -2 -4 equals 0. Okay, this step, are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. And we will just continue. So can you tell me, let's continue from here, right? My arrow, can you tell me what do I write? What is -2 squared?
-4.
Ah, you sure or not? Calculator. Use calculator.
-4.
Positive 4. So we'll write 4k. Now over here, this is slightly more complicated. So can you see there's a -2, the two brackets. So your -2 got to go into each of them. Alright, so we take -2 times k. What is -2 times k?
-2k.
-2k. Then -2 times 1?
-2.
-2. Then -4 equals to 0. And what we do is we evaluate. Can you tell me what's 4k minus 2k?
2k.
Very good. And how about -2 minus 4?
-6.
Awesome. What's next? 2k equals to
6.
6. And k equals to
3.
3. Yeah. So the answer is 3. K equals to 3. So far is it okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so we move on, right? So the second possible value of x. Now to find the second possible value of x, you got to substitute k equal to 3 into this equation. Alright, so when you put the k equal to 3, you're going to get 3x squared plus 3 plus 1 x minus 4 equals 0. Right, and you would copy it here. So this is 3x squared. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, so it's plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So you get a quadratic equation. Can you see that? How do you?
Can you repeat?
Repeat again. Okay, from which part?
The 3x squared part.
Oh,
you
mean this one? This one?
No, how do you get the 3x squared?
Okay, so you look at this, this equation, right?
Yeah.
Just now you found k equals to 3, right?
Yeah.
So we will substitute this, put inside all the k. Okay, so once you put inside all the k, you will get this thing.
Okay.
Alright, so now they ask us to find the second possible value of x. We already know that at first x equal to -2.
Yeah.
You see this?
Yeah.
So there is a second value. Now, it doesn't matter what's the first value because we know this is a quadratic
equation.
Yeah, quadratic equation. Now, how do you solve a quadratic equation? Use this thing, right? So we put 3x squared here, we put -4 here, and then 4x here. So top left 3x times x equal 3x squared. Now, what do we put for the second, this one here? Can you give some suggestions?
2 and...
Yeah, 2 and minus... No, I think -2 and 2.
Yeah.
-2, 2, right? So cross multiply. -2x, 3x times 2 becomes 6x. So we end up with a 4x. So what is our final factorized form? 3x minus 2 times x plus 2 equal to
0.
0. So I already have this one, right? Can you see? They already tell me x equal -2. So what's my second value? So this one settled. Second value is 3x minus 2 equals 0. Okay. So 3x equal to 2. x equal to 2 out of
3.
Is that okay? So that is my answer.
Okay.
That's my second value. So x equal to 2 over 3. Alright?
Okay.
All this one mark are easy. Okay, so far that's the first 3 questions. Any question?
No.
No. So far Wi-Fi okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we move on to the next one. So in the next one in the diagram, B, C, and D are points on a circle. ABC is a straight line. So explain why BC is not a diameter of the circle. Why BC? So BC is this thing. This one. How come this is not a diameter? Not a diameter. Now, do you remember the 6 circle properties?
Yeah, I remember.
Now I need you to. I'm going to draw. Then you tell me. First, 2, next, 2, 1 here, 1 here. Okay, first one is like that, like that. Okay, can you tell me the rule? What is this rule? The first circle property. Angle center equals to twice angle at circumference. Okay, so this is 2x, this one is x. Now the second one is this. This is the second one. Right, so angle of the same segment. Now there's another one that is a diameter. And if you touch here, oh, you must touch here, right? This thing is 90 degrees. Okay, then got another one. What's the other one that's 90 degrees? The radius, right? And the tangent. Okay, radius tangent. So here is 90 degrees. So then there's another 2 more cyclic chord, right?
Yeah.
So what's so special about cyclic chord? X plus y equal to what?
180.
Yeah, 180 degrees. And the last one is the sailing boat thing. Okay, sailing boat looks like this. So this one, this one equals to, I think it's this one. Alright, so we call this the alternate segment theorem. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you tell me which rule do we use for this particular question? Tell me the number. Which number?
6.
6? No. No. We use rule number 3.
3.
3, yes. Now, rule number 3 says that if this is a diameter, here must be 90 degrees. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Correct or not? So what do we need to do is we need to check. Now, you see, this is 129. What is this side? The red color thing. Can you tell me what's the angle here? 180 minus 129, right? This is 51. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, if that is 51, how about the angle on the top? You take 180 minus 51 minus 38.
91.
We got 91, right?
Yeah.
So this is 91 degrees. So you see, what does rule number 3 say? Rule number 3 say if this is the diameter, here will be
90 degrees.
90. But is this 90 degrees? Is this guy 90 degrees? No. So no, it's not 90. So since it's not 90, it's not a diameter. This line is not a diameter. So how do you explain? We use English to explain. You must use words, okay? So you gotta say that BC is not a diameter since angle CDB is not equal to 90 degrees. Is that right?
Yeah.
So if it's 90 degrees, then it is a diameter because it fulfills the third one, the rule number 3. Okay?
Okay.
You're okay, not convincing. You order dinner, what?
Yeah.
Food?
Huh? No, Deliveroo.
Oh, Deliveroo. Okay,
Yeah.
wait. I want to go to the previous question.
Okay.
Okay, this one got one error. This one should be, what we need to do is to actually take out 3. So we get 3n squared minus 2n plus 1, right?
Okay.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Why do you need to take out 3? You never say leave it.
Yeah, so it's not that because this one plus 3, it's because this is a multiple
it's 3 inside, then you will.
Yeah, whatever is here, right, you multiply by 3. So it will always be a multiple of 3. Because it doesn't matter what number this is, you just times, right? It's not because of the plus 3. Okay? Okay, next one, we move on here. So the question here is, make one comment about the age at which the males married in 2014 compared to 2004. Make one comment. 2014. This female, this female. So we don't want to see this, right? We look at this one for males.
The marriage rate is higher.
Marriage rate is higher. Marriage rate. So basically, what you're trying to say is there are more
marriages in
more. 2014. Okay, 2014 is this one, right?
Yeah.
So there's like age group. Wait, let me see. The marriage rate is higher per 1,000 male. Okay, maybe I think what you should say is that generally, the males here they marry at a later age.
Okay.
Alright, they marry at a later age. So 2014 marry at later age. Why? Because you see the dotted line, they're slightly younger. Right? 2004 people tend to marry earlier. 2014, they get married at around this age.
No, but the highest, like the number of the age is the peak and it's both the same.
Yeah, so you see most of the male, right, they marry later, that's what they're trying to say.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because for the 2004, it is earlier. A lot of them married like earlier. Well, some married at 15 years old. No? You see that? Like at your age, already got one kid. No? Can you imagine that? Can you imagine you already have a kid?
Yeah, I got one friend.
You serious?
Yeah.
He got boy already. He got a kid already.
Yeah, she gave birth.
Wow, how old is your friend?
17.
17 already got already father. Wow, that's very young, no?
Yeah, I know.
Then how is he still in school?
No, he dropped out of school already.
Oh, drop out of school. Yeah, go and work. But he'll be very happy when the kid is growing up. Right, because by 30 years old, his kid already do PSLE, finish PSLE.
Yeah.
Yeah, then by the age of 34, right, he can retire because the kid working.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyway, that's very few. Not so many people like to do that. Okay? Yeah, most people like to be average at about 30 over years old. Anyway, okay, Huma claims that in 2014, males married at a higher age than female. Does the chart support her claim? Actually, it's no. Why? Why no? They say that the males marry at a higher age than female. It does not support because the model groups for both males and females are 30 to 34. What we mean is, now you see this 30 34 for the year 2014, right? You see the mode is almost the same. It's almost the same. So you cannot say that male marry at a higher age than female. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I move on. I want to do more technical stuff. Okay, so this I can't see the shaded area. Shaded area is in the middle. This one shaded area is here. Okay, so what is the first one? First one is
A.
Okay, wait. The shaded area is middle plus here.
Oh.
So it's actually, we know in the middle is intersect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but in this case, okay, actually I can't tell where's the shaded area. Wait, let me see the book.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. So the shaded area is here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and the middle, and so except for that part. So this one is correct. This one is just here and here. So for the first one, right? The first one is actually A union
Prime.
B prime. Yeah, very good. Now the second one is tough. Very difficult. It's actually A prime intersect B union A intersect B prime. Where's my model? Hello?
I don't get it.
Yeah, okay. So A prime intersect B. So A prime intersect B, the first one, right? A prime intersect B. The first part, blue color one is here. See the blue color?
Yeah.
This one is A prime intersect B.
Okay.
A prime means everything outside A, so intersect B, so it's right here. Then the red color part, this red color part, is here. It's over here. So this is A intersect B prime.
Oh, so you do one by one, sir?
Yeah, you gotta do one by one, and then union means you add the two together.
Okay.
Alright, so next. The cash price of a TV is 1475, the hire purchase is 1651. Hire purchase is a deposit plus 12, monthly equal of 113. Calculate the deposit as a percentage of the cash price. Okay, so what do we do? Now the cash price is 1475. Now first let's calculate the 12 equal money of 113. Okay, what happens? We take 12 times 113, we get 1356. Okay, so 1356 is the monthly payment. But because you do hire purchase, right, there is a deposit.
Okay.
So what they're trying to say is this 1651 is equal to deposit plus 1356. So how to find the deposit? How much is the deposit? Is 1651 minus 1356.
It is.
Right, and we get 295.
295, yeah.
Yeah, so 295 is the deposit, but they want the deposit as a percentage of the cash price. So cash price is here. We take 295 divided by 1475 times 100%.
20%.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, it's 20%. So the answer is 20%. Okay, so what they're testing here is, do you know the concept of hire purchase? Hire purchase, there's always a hire purchase. This hire purchase, there's always a deposit plus monthly installment. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, move on. Next one. Okay, so find angle ABC. Where's the angle ABC? It's here. ABC.
Okay.
Okay, so this is where we need to use our rules again, right? The rules of the circle. So first one, find angle ABC. Okay, well, let's see what we can do here. Draw. Let me see. Do you know any clue?
ABC. ABC.
Any suggestions? Oh, okay.
100.
Draw one line, draw one line. Okay, so we draw one line here. Now these two are equal because they are the radius. So basically, OC equal OB also equal to OA, right? Because they are all the radius. Now, if they are all the radius, that means this angle is 41 because it has to be the same. It's an isosceles triangle. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Then this one here is 23 because the isosceles triangle. So angle ABC equals to
Oh, okay.
41 plus 23.
64.
Yeah, 64 degrees. Next, find angle AOC. So AOC is here.
64 times 2.
Huh? Times 2. Yeah, very good. So 64 times 2 equals 128 degrees. Okay, next one. Angle OAD. So OAD here. Where's angle OAD?
OAD.
Yep. Okay, maybe we can find this first.
It's not a cyclic chord, right?
It is. This is a cyclic chord. So we know here is 64, right?
Yeah.
So take 180 minus 64, we can find this.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So 180. Wait. What do we want? OAD.
116.
Oh, okay. So 180 minus
64.
64.
116.
116. So that's 116. Now I need to find here.
128.
Huh?
128.
Wait. Sorry. I need to find this one. Sorry. Not this one. The one at the bottom. Now, do you see that these are parallel?
Yeah.
So you take 180 minus 116, 64. This is 64. Right, this is an interior angle. Interior angle. You add the 2 equal 180.
Oh.
Okay? That's interior angle. Next. Okay, so aeroplane leaves Adelaide at 0925. The distance between Adelaide to Singapore is the average speed. The airplane arrives at 1525. What is the time difference? 0925. Distance from Adelaide to Singapore is the average. Okay, so we have to find the time. First, find the time taken. Time taken. So what's the time taken to travel? Remember DST triangle?
Yeah.
If you need to find time, what do? Distance divided by speed, right?
Speed, yeah.
So the distance is 5408. We divide by, what's the speed? 721. So 540 divided by 721. Oh, okay, we got some decimal, right? So it's like 7.5 hours. So it's 7 hour 30 minutes. So if it starts at 0925, travel for 7 hour 30 minutes, it should reach at 1655. Okay, if you add them together, alright. So this is Adelaide time. But what time did you reach Singapore? 1525. Right? So 1525 versus 1655. This is Singapore. This one is Adelaide.
1 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah, so it's Singapore is behind by 1.5 hours. Now why is it behind? Because people already 4 o'clock, but we only 3 o'clock. So we are behind time.
Okay.
Alright, so that is the reasoning. Next. Okay, so the cargo volume of an aircraft is 184 meter cube. A model is built to a scale of 1:20. Find the cargo volume in meter cube of the model. So 1:20 is the linear scale, correct?
Yeah.
Remember, linear scale is always in centimeter.
Yeah.
So this is actually 1 cm is to 0.2 meter, correct? 20 cm is 0.2 meter because 1 meter equal 100
okay.
cm. So 20 cm, 0.2 meters.
Okay.
Alright, so but this is still linear scale. Now I want to compare volume. If I want to compare volume, I need to change to what scale?
Volume.
Cubic, cubic. That means I must cube.
Cube everything.
Yeah, cube everything. So 1 cube is 1 cm cube. Then 0.2 cube. Take out calculator, 0.2 cube. 3 times. I get
0.008.
Yeah, 0.008 meter cube. So this is a cubic scale. Alright, so the actual cargo volume is 184. So 184 we put here. Our job is to find this, the one in the box. So how to find the value in the box?
184 divided by 0.008.
Yeah, 0.008 equals to
23000.
Yeah, so it's a big number, right? So it's 23. Okay. This divided by this. Wait a minute. The cargo the model. This divided by this. Wait, let me check. The current volume 23,000 cm cube. Okay.
Now what is cm cube?
Next. Okay, the force F between two objects is inversely proportional to the square of the distance d. So what do? Use our formula F equals, now because it's inversely proportional, so F equals to K over d square. Okay? So can you get the first formula?
Why d square?
Then they say the square of d.
Okay.
Square of d. Alright. So what's the first thing that I need to do? You read this one. The distance is increased by 20%.
So it's 120.
Yeah. So d increased by 120%, by 20% to become 120%. The 130% is actually 1.2 d. So we call this the OF. The O1 is K over d square, right? So now, how about the new one? It's K over 1.2 d bracket square.
Why is it 1.2?
Okay, now increase by 20% is 120%, right?
Yeah.
120% is the same as 120 over 100. So 120 over 100 is 1.2.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
So the new one is, so we continue our equation. K over, now 1.2 you gotta square it. 1.2 squared. 1.44d squared. Okay, so we continue. Go up here. So F new is equals to 1 divided by 1.44 times K over D squared. Is this okay? We take out the 1.44.
Okay.
You see, we take out 1.44, put it here. Why? Because do you realize that this K over D squared is this one? So what we're trying to say is the new F equal to okay, 1 divided by 1.44. Okay, 1 over 1.44 is the same as 25 over 36. And the green card one is the OF.
Okay.
Alright, so calculate the percentage reduction. We want to know the percentage reduction. So what is a percentage reduction? It's referring to this part. Because at first you have one whole. Now it became 25 out of 36. So you take one whole minus 25 over 36 is equal to 11 over 36. So we take 11 over 36 times 100. We get 35 over 9%. Okay, so the answer is 35 over 9. Can?
Yeah. Why you take 1 minus 25 over 36?
Okay, because they want to find the percentage reduction. The one whole is at first. This one is from here. This is what happened to it after. So this one is the reduction. So at first you have 1, right? Then this one is after. After that you get only 25 over 36. So how much did it reduce by? It reduced by 11 over 36.
Okay.
Okay, next. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm okay.
Next one. Okay, algebra. Factorize with the what do we do here? We take out the common factor. Okay, so what's the common between 8 and 6?
2.
2, yeah. Take out 2. There's also P, right?
And
then there's also Q. So from the first term, you take out 2PQ, what do you get? 4P. 4P.
Yeah.
Then for the second one, you take out 2PQ, you left with
Minus
3Q
square.
squared. Final answer. Okay, so there's nothing else to take out. Now the B, there's 4 terms. 4 terms, what do we do?
Factorize 1 by 1.
What do you
2 terms at a time.
grouping. So we group these two and these two. So we get 6x squared y minus 2xy plus 3x minus 1. Okay, so the first two, we will take out 2xy. So left with 3x. Then the second one is 1. Okay, so far is okay?
Yeah.
So once we do this, we realize that this term and this term, they are the same. Which means we can extract them. So you take out 3x minus 1. Then from here, okay, yellow box, you take out 3x minus 1, what are you left with? Yellow box. 2, left with what? 2
X.
Y. Okay, that's from the yellow box. Then the right hand side, that's 1. The 1 came from here. Because you take out 1 time, of 3x minus 1. This 2xy came from the yellow box.
Yeah.
Alright, and that will be the final answer. This is called factorized by grouping, which you have done 1,000,000 times. No, maybe 2,000,000 times. Alright. Okay, so algebra stuff, easy. Next is a okay, I want to look at another algebra question, okay? It's not this one. Because I need to go soon, it's 8:39 already.
Okay.
Okay. Let me find an algebra. Okay, make x the subject of the formula. Okay, can you tell me what we do first?
You bring the x square minus a, or make it one line.
Very good. So you see, this type is always y over 1 equals to. Okay, so we cross multiply, right? So x squared minus a y equals to x squared plus 3. And we will rainbow the y inside, so we get y x squared minus a y equal x squared plus 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what's the next step? I need to make x the subject. So x must be at which part of the equation? Is it the left hand side or the right hand side?
The left.
So we move all the x term. So which one is the x term? So y x squared is the x term.
Minus x squared.
Yeah, equals to
a plus 3.
Plus 3. So here we will take out x squared. Left y minus 1. Okay?
Yeah.
What's the next step?
Bring the y minus 1 divide by.
Yep. Okay, is that the final answer?
No, you need to get rid of the square.
Yeah, how do you get rid of square?
Square root.
Yeah. Square root. Okay, so that is that's the final answer. Alright. Okay, so we still got about half of the paper one to go, but I think it's quite okay lah. As long as you know how to do all the algebra stuff, right?
Yeah.
That would be the most important. You see, so we still got a couple more to go through. If we have time, we can do some more lah. Alright.
Okay.
So we just stop here for today. Okay, but of course, for you, what do you think you can do at home?
Do the.
You got this 10 series, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go and do it. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can do the question first. Okay, wait, I can see my face already. Wait. Okay, can you see my face?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so what you can do is you can actually try to do the paper. Then when you have question like which one wrong, which one not correct, you see which one is not correct, and then you take picture, send to me, and then I go through that. That will be much faster. If not, I will just do every single one of them.
Okay.
Okay, can? All right. Okay, so that's all for today, all right?
Okay.
Thank
Bye
you
bye.
Bye. See you.